So all you do
Okay, I'm at the Needle Heart.
It's a very
Needle Heart World.
Fabric.
And this is their Diamond Dots section. You've got to see this. Okay, I'm going to show you this little demo.
It's the same kind of concept.
Go ahead.
Yeah, what we got is the fabric is it's a stiff, it doesn't stretch tight, 100% polyester fabric, so there won't be any deformation, you know, if something happens to the fabric.
Okay.
Image is printed, obviously, first of all,
Right.
and then we come back and we also print in the exact same areas with an adhesive. So there's what we call a pressure-sensitive adhesive is on there. It's a proprietary thing. And we have a legend over here on the side that tells us which color we're going to use. And in this particular case, we're looking at A04, and that's these yellow ones. So all of these they're all marked. And so all you do is you have a stylus. The stylus is loaded with a little bit of wax.
It's a little pickup tool.
Yeah, and it helps pick up. And so all you do is you take it and you jab it into the wax, and the wax gets caught in there. And at that point, all you have to do is you just lightly touch one of the beads. It picks it up.
There's a front and a back to them then.
Yeah.
Pick it up from the bumpy side.
Yeah, from the
I can see
faceted
that.
side. And then there's the flat side. So you just put the flat side down there. And that's all you do is one at a time.
And it releases pretty good.
Yeah. And the lighter the touch that you use, the better off it works. Yeah. In fact, right now that's my wax coming out. If that ever happens, as much as these get used, they get a little bit dirty. But yeah, you just fill it up again, a little bit of wax. And touch and place. And see, like that one, the ones around it didn't really give it enough room.
Right.
But if I can just get it in there, I can come back
And squish it.
and I can force it. Yeah. I can force it in there. Usually it'll snap.
Now, how long does it take for this to become permanent?
It's actually permanent as soon as you finish it. Here, try this.
Okay.
It's actually permanent really as soon as you finish. This adhesive never fully cures. It doesn't dry like glue does. It's like I say, it's a pressure sensitive adhesive, so therefore it never fully cures. It will stiffen, but it holds completely the beads. You can actually leave it open for hours at a time. We recommend that you cover it back up with the cover sheet when you're not working on it, just to keep the dust,
Cat hair.
Yeah, exactly, from getting caught on there.
It looks like it's very soothing and calming.
It is actually.
How you have a puzzle laid out, you can lay this. Ken was just here from Ken's Creations, and they were talking about just leaving this setting out like a puzzle where everyone can come in and work on it.
That is exactly what my family has done for the last 2 years at Christmas.
Now, what you do with this? You just make big?
So I'm going to go look at this wall over here and show you some of these designs, and they're very sparkly and blingy. Now see, if you're a cat lover, you can see the sparkle. I'm seeing it. Little puppy. Now you notice that the pot is not blingy. I want this peacock. Oh my goodness. I want the peacock. And look at this. This is brilliant. This triptych up there with the roses. It's beautiful. The boats. Can you see the bling? I've never seen anything this sparkly. And I'm always kind of ADD. I'm like, oh, look, a sparkly thing. And this is the actual photo here on this moon. This is the actual photo taken from space. They have small projects, they have pillows, they have bracelets, they have stickers so you can do your notebooks. Let's see if I can get this here. Snowman, and look at Santa. This is a new Santa from last year. This is a new Santa from last year. Look at the sparkle in him. Oh my gosh. It's to die for, and for the kids' rooms, these are so adorable. There's another, this is not a triptych, it's a 4-piece, but look at that. Let's see if we can get that sparkle in there. I am just astounded by this. Look at this project. And they tell you about how long these projects take, and the project he was working at in the beginning, where we were demoing that's about a half-hour project. Obviously, these take longer. Oh, I think I missed the the little cats. Isn't that cute? So amazing. You've got to check out their website. I'll try to give you a link when I get home to their website.